Hi, my name is Nick, Sales Manager with SafetyTrack. Today we're going to be going over an unboxing of our latest live streaming dash camera solution, our ST-203. Inside of the box we have our cellular antenna, GPS antenna, power harness, mounting bracket, and of course our unit itself. So as you can see, very small, compact in size. An overview of the dash cam: we have an emergency button, indicator lights, security IRs for night vision, a 1080p driver-facing camera, a USB input for a potential Wi-Fi hotspot, high-intensity microphone that will give audio capability to the viewer, and a 1080p forward-facing lens. On the opposite side, we have a locking bracket that houses the storage. We support up to 1 terabyte. A fully adjustable mount that will mount to about 90% of windshields. What sets our dash cam apart is the ability to add a visual aid or a third camera. So if you can envision a camera inside of a cargo area to monitor transport of goods, or a rear backup camera for the driver visual aid. This system is capable on our CMS platform for your live streaming capability, real-time GPS, and remote playback. For more information on this dash cam and our other camera systems, visit our website, safetytrack.com.